We begin with adding 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil to the hot kadai. To this we add 1 small sliced onion and sliced half a carrot and saute them over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chopped half a bell pepper and saute for another 1 minute and keep aside. For the batter, we take 100 grams of refined flour and slowly add water and mix well, ensuring no lumps. Remember not to add all the water at once so that we can control the consistency of the batter. Once the desired consistency is achieved, we add 2 whole eggs to the batter and mix well. To this, we add half teaspoon of chopped chilies, half teaspoon of chopped coriander, and our previously sauteed vegetables along with salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix together. For frying, take a hot tawa to which we apply vegetable oil liberally. Now using a ladle, pour the batter on the tawa and spread it evenly in a circular motion using the back of the ladle. Once the pancake is cooked on one side, we will flip it over carefully. Next, we apply a bit of oil on the top side and flip. Repeat the process on the other side similarly. Once the pancake takes a golden brown color, we will know that it is completely cooked. Take it off and do the same with the rest of the batter. The batter we had made would make total of 4 pancakes. For the spicy potato side dish, we take 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and add dry red chili along with half teaspoon of nigella seeds. Add 100 grams of peeled and diced potatoes to this and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per your preference and cook till the raw flavors of the spices go away. Add 3/4 cup of water, bring it to a boil, reduce the flame and cover and cook until the potatoes are completely done. Once the potatoes are cooked, we are done.